Morning YouTube, happy day before Thanksgiving. It's a wondrous day here at Meineke St. Vincent. I love when customers diagnose their own cars. They said weld flex pipe. Education piece for everybody. There is no welding of rusted out flex pipe. That just doesn't happen. It's not going to happen. No mention to the service writer that, hey, can you look at anything else? You can see the rotors are rusted out in the front. Yeah, rotors are rusted out. Nothing about the underbody shield rattling all over the place either. How about that? Leave it to the pros to diagnose your car. I know everybody wants it to feel empowered when they diagnose their own cars, but most of the time you're wrong anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't eat too much.